Hi friends, today in this video we are going to see job opening from Gracure Pharmaceuticals Limited, and welcome to Pharma Job Alerts YouTube channel where you can witness job openings from various pharmaceutical companies. So let us see the job details. Friends, Gracure Pharmaceuticals is hiring for officer or senior officer liquid ointments. The department is production with qualification B.Pharma or M.Sc. The work experience is 3 to 5 years. For officer or senior officer, primary or secondary, for packing, diploma in pharmacy or B.Pharma or M.Sc or B.sc is required. Experience is 3 to 5 years. For compression production, B.Pharm M.Sc with 3 to 5 years experience. Interested one can send your resume to the following mail ID. Friends, we have already provided the mail ID in the description of the video. From there you can apply by clicking on it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Subscribe to us.